Hey guys, Josiah and Dawson from Man Northway GM in Prince Albert here. We got a couple of our new Beast Mode Customs to show you. So here we got this beautiful little Chevy Silverado. It's a beautiful hunting edition, and you can actually win this truck if you buy any vehicle with at least $1,000 of accessories on it. Which brings me to our other Beast Mode truck here. Set up as a hunting truck, so you can put your quad, your sled, any of your ATVs in here. It has gun cases on it. It has some spotlights in the back. I don't know if you can see those. They're remote controlled. It has a winch in the back, which Dawson is going to demonstrate for us here. Go ahead, winch it in. Beautiful. And then these ramps just slide right in, like so. And you're ready to go hunting. Oh, one more thing, I forgot my gun. Beautiful gun cases that are actually built into the truck. They just clip in right here. And it's nice and sturdy, it's not gonna get lost. So we got our quad loaded up, we got the guns in the truck, but unfortunately we got stuck. We were going through a slough that we thought we could make it. Thankfully, we got this winch on the front of the truck. So you can tow yourself out of any kind of situation with this M8000 winch. And you can actually tow some pretty good loads as well.
So this truck also comes with a 2-inch lift/level kit, as well as oversized dirt track tires, so you're ready for the mud, but ready for the showroom. As well, it also has a 32-inch light bar up there on the back rack.
And because we know some of you are terrible shots, we included this Smittybilt ammo box and case on it. You can get all your ammunition in here. And just in case you really get stuck, or maybe you run into some zombies, we've included a Smittybilt survival shovel and tire repair kit.
And that's another Beast Mode Customs from the car guys at Man Northway. Don't forget to like and share our page on Facebook.
Thanks for watching.